A carbide burr tool is widely used in valve bowl blending because it allows engine builders to carefully smooth and reshape the area directly beneath the valve seat, known as the valve bowl, which is one of the most critical airflow regions in a cylinder head. After air passes through the intake port and crosses the valve opening, it must transition through the valve bowl before entering the combustion chamber. From the factory, this area often contains sharp edges, abrupt diameter changes, and rough casting surfaces that create turbulence and restrict airflow. By using a carbide burr tool mounted on a high-speed die grinder, the technician can selectively remove material in this confined area, gradually blending the transition between the valve seat and the surrounding bowl to create a smoother and more efficient airflow path. The hardness and cutting precision of carbide make it especially effective for working in this tight, high-importance region without losing control over the surrounding geometry. In valve bowl blending, a carbide burr tool is not used to drastically enlarge the area, but rather to refine its shape and eliminate airflow disruptions. The goal is to reduce turbulence as air flows around the backside of the valve and into the combustion chamber. Sharp ledges, casting ridges, and sudden transitions can cause airflow separation, which reduces the efficiency of cylinder filling. By carefully smoothing these areas, the carbide burr tool helps maintain consistent airflow velocity and direction, allowing the engine to breathe more efficiently. This improves volumetric efficiency, which directly contributes to increased horsepower, better throttle response, and improved engine performance across a wide RPM range. A carbide burr tool is also essential for maintaining proper valve seat integrity while blending the surrounding bowl area. Because the valve seat itself is a precision machined sealing surface, it must not be damaged during porting work.